Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. You know what I have today? I have a quick little boxy pop-up purchase that I did. I did this between rides at Disney World and honestly, I'm not even sure what I chose because I was just scrolling through and hitting some odds and ends and I thought it would be fun to see what I got. So I have opened the box and we are getting ready to get inside and see what's in here. This is the first time is this the first time? I think this might be the first time I have done the boxy pop-up. They have had a lot of problems with it in the past, so I've kind of steered clear of it. But I feel like maybe this is the first time I did it. Heck of a time to try it for the first time, isn't it? But it seemed to have a lot of good things in it, and I thought it would be fun to try a few. So this is the paperwork that came with it. Boxy pop-up. And it says, thank you for shopping our pop-up. And some of the items were really good deals. So digging right in first, I will tell you, it's something for my husband. It is these Daily Concepts Daily Body Scrubbers. They're like $11 regularly, but in the pop-ups and that type of thing, sometimes on FabFitFun I get them. They are like $5. And they are dual-sided. I'll go ahead and open it up. They are dual-sided scrubber sponges for the shower. And they have little strings that they hang from, and they come with a little thingy to hang in the shower, and they're just rough. And my husband loves these things. So whenever they're offered in FabFitFun or something like this, I get them for him so he doesn't feel like he's missing out on all these boxes coming to the house. But he really likes these, so I saw that and I added that. Next I have an Alex and Ani bracelet. I had forgotten about this. This was, you know, let me see if I can find the paperwork on this from when I ordered it, and I can tell you what the prices were. If you know Alex and Ani, you know, this was $9. Yeah, $9. And it's called Path of Life, and I just thought it would be so pretty. I wear my Fitbit almost constantly, and I thought I could put it on the same hand as that, and it would just be super pretty. And this body scrubber was $4. Next I have, oh right, these words sounded intriguing to me. IGK, which is a hair brand that I love. It is the Antisocial Overnight Bond Building Dry Hair Mask. Sounds interesting, doesn't it? It's vegan and cruelty-free, gluten-free, UV protection, petroleum, mineral oil-free, yada, yada, yada. It says, with bond building complex and vegan silk extract, it is a time-release dry treatment mask that repairs and softens hair without mess or residue. No need to wash and restyle. Right? I was intrigued. So I guess I spray it on my hair at night and it's gonna make it better. But it was like $9 and nothing IGK is ever $9. So I thought I'd give it a try. I also got, because I'm thinking my hair must have been a hot mess in Florida, I spent so much time pulling it up, that I also got the Amika Brooklyn Bombshell Blowout Spray. And that is what that looks like. I love the look of the Amika products. And this was $12. Of course, I don't have any of the regular prices on any of this stuff. But this says, blow it up when you blow it out with a no-weight network of heat-safe high volume. Just mist it on damp hair, roots to ends, section by section, and blow dry. I will try anything that says it's going to give me volume. So, heat protection and volume, 2 thumbs up. And last but not least, because it was just a small pop-up order, I got the Becca, Khloe, and Malika palette. And I was in the, like I said, I was in the middle of Disney World, and it was so sunny out that I couldn't really see the colors of this, but my daughter's skin tone is a little more olive and dark than mine. So I thought if it didn't, there's powder all over the tucked under sleeve. Let's see. We shall see. But anyway, my daughter has a darker, more olive skin tone than mine, so I thought it would work for one of us. This looks like there's got powder on it, so let's see if it was mine or somebody else's when it was packaged. Mine looks fine. Oh, this is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. This is so pretty. So it's highlighter and bronzer. That is gorgeous. Oh my goodness, guys. I love the way that looks. So now the only question is, do I swatch it or do I keep this? I just talked about it in my last video. I have gone over 500 on Insta, and as soon as this giveaway is done, I'm going to do an Insta giveaway, and I might want to put this in it. So I'm not going to swatch this. I'm going to go ahead and keep that. But it was, like I said, $19. I'm not sure what it sold for originally. The top of it seems to be a little scuffed, but inside it looked perfect. It looks gorgeous in here. So I'm going to set that aside in case I decide to add it to that giveaway. So that is it. Also, see how there's a little color on that? It's not for mine, so I suspect somebody around this box had a broken box. Okay, so that is it for the unusual assortment of goodies that I selected. And it is the Becca, Khloe, and Malika highlighter or bronzer palette, this daily body scrubber, an Alex and Ani bracelet, and 2 hair products. The Spray It On Bond Your Hair, which I am still ultimately very intrigued by, and the Amika Brooklyn Blowout, which is going to give me both volume and heat protection, which is fantastic. I need both of those things. So that's it for my Boxy pop-up. Thank you so much for coming by and watching. Let's do an extra entry below. Let me know. You know, I seem to be in the middle of some sort of hair crisis. It wants to break, and it's just not loving itself this winter. So I am trying so many new hair products. So have you tried any new hair products? What are your favorite hair products? Let me know below one of your favorite hair products, and we'll use that as an extra entry. All right, guys, thanks again for coming by. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know when I have more videos coming out, and I'll see you really soon. Bye, guys.